Hi, in front of me is Acer B3-A40 Iconia One, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this tablet. First of all, select two apps, for example Calendar and YouTube. Then click on the square button over here, hold one of your apps and drag it to the side of your screen. After that, tap on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!